Now, I've always been a bit of a gadgets man, multi-purpose tools and so on. Witness the perennial Swiss Army knife on my belt, which is why I've also loved the idea of getting my smartphone to do more without chopping and changing it too often. I love accessories that genuinely add usefulness to my phone. Simple skins like these from Extreme Skins, adding texture and grip when using the phone naked, as it were, to MagSafe power banks. From a snap-on card wallet, again via MagSafe, to the wonderful ShiftCam snap grip, turning me into a DSLR wielding journo. Plus it has a power bank built in. Finally, to the new Clix keyboard, adding a physical QWERTY keyboard for input with the whole display available, of which much more in the next short.